Welcome to our research laboratories.
Please come in.
We work on viruses. So viruses are really small pathogens that can cause disease.
So viruses infect cells. So it can infect cells in any different parts of the body. That means it can manifest in many different ways and many different diseases.
And so when we think about research, we can focus on the virus itself and how it replicates and how it grows. We can think about the virus in the context of a human, which is disease. So how it causes disease, how it replicates in the human, and then also how that relates to how the virus transmits through the community. Viral infectious disease research is really important because even the viruses that we think we understand, an example might be influenza, they're unpredictable and they're always changing.
Viruses can cause epidemic outbreaks and also pandemic. We heard about COVID-19 and also pandemic influenza. So they can cause significant diseases in the community. So it is very important for public health.
I have a research team here at the Doherty, and we are really interested in how viruses infect cells. So that first encounter with one cell in your body with one virus and how they interact.
I work with research groups such as Sarah's lab to bring basic science research into the public health space to develop new diagnostics, new drugs, informing vaccine strategies to protect public health. We regularly respond to disease outbreaks, providing information to the Department of Health to support disease outbreaks investigation. So this has become a very important issue for Australia, but also for the rest of the world.
The unique and privileged position we have here at the Doherty to have public health laboratories alongside research laboratories, and the importance of them feeding into each other and how that sets us apart from other research institutes around the world. So for example, with the COVID-19 pandemic, through the detection and surveillance of the virus within the Doherty Institute, and then the research arm within the Doherty Institute as well, we were able to shape how we could develop new vaccines to prevent infection.
I feel very privileged to be able to work in a world-class public health lab where we can actually truly make an impact at the local level, but also at the international level.
The most exciting thing happens when you're in the laboratory and there's a result that you don't expect. And then that leads to something that's very big and very exciting. So it's those unexpected findings that really open doors to the new discoveries.